Hello everyone. This is Srinivasan from RMD Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to talk about the different methods of decentralization in blockchain. The important aspect of blockchain technology is it involves multiple nodes in decision making through the distributed consensus algorithm. So, whenever a decision to be taken, many nodes are discussed or participated according to the consensus algorithms, and based on the consensus, they come to common decisions, and they implement it. Let us see the two popular methods we use in blockchain technologies for realizing the decentralization. First one is disintermediation. So in the distributed uh, centric blockchain technologies, we don't use intermediary. Typically, we take the normal systems here. We have a centralized entity like a bank to support the transactions, but the same will not be implemented in the decentralized systems. In the blockchain technology, we try to eliminate the intermediary like bank in transactions. Let us see how it is achieved in the blockchain technologies. Okay, centers initiate the transactions based on the cryptocurrency in his wallet. He initiates one transaction. Okay, that transaction is signed with his private key. After that, the transaction is sent to multiple nodes in the blockchain network. The nodes are validating the transactions. After that, they find out whether the transaction is legal and it can be stored in the block. Uh, the transactions will be stored inside the block, and the block will subsequently include in the blockchains. After that, the receiver's wallet as well as the sender's wallets will be updated as per the transactions. So here there is no need for any centralized single entity. The second method to realize the decentralization is a contest-based one. Here, different service providers will compete with each other in order to be selected to provide the service, and based on the selections, they help us to facilitate the transactions. The blockchains, we use smart contracts smart to automate the implementations of business rules, and we choose an external data provider from a large number of providers based on their reputation, previous score reviews, and quality of service to offer that service. And we can achieve three types of decentralizations in blockchain. First one is fully decentralized. Here, there is a central intermediary, and it has full control over the transaction executions. In the semi-decentralized systems, some intermediaries are compete with each other in order to provide the service. And the fill is decentralized, so there is no intermediary, and the consensus algorithms will be used to provide the validation service. Now we see the pros and cons of decentralized systems. Look at the benefits. So they are transparent one, more efficient, cost effective, and they support trusted ecosystems and data privacy. But it also has certain limitations like security, software bugs, and human errors. Today we are using so many decentralized systems. For example, we can take the GNU Tela and the BitTorrent. They are useful in sharing files, and the blockchains can be used to develop such systems in a decentralized manner. And the most popular decentralized application development platform is Ethereum. So Ethereum has more flexible ecosystems, and it's also used to code our own business logics through the smart contract. Before developing a decentralized applications, we have to find the answers for a few questions. We have to decide what to be centralized and what level of decentralization is required, and what kind of blockchain should be used, and what security mechanisms to be you incorporated into in the decentralized application. So we have to find answers for these questions in order to develop decentralized applications in blockchain technologies. Thank you.